Hi there folks, welcome to Pick's Place. Have you ever heard of a little thing called NASCAR? Well, if you haven't, maybe you've heard of a legend by the name of Dale Earnhardt. He was in a crash in 2001 and died. It was very tragic, and there was a commemorative car made for him the next year in 2002 by General Motors, and let's have a look at it. So we have a 2002 Chevy Monte Carlo SS Dale Earnhardt edition. Let's take a look under the hood and see what it's got. So here's the powerhouse in this baby. It pumps out about 200 horsepower, 3.8 liter V6 engine. The other Monte Carlos also came with a 3.4 V6 that pumped out 180 horsepower. The thing that makes this car special is because it is an Earnhardt commemorative car. It has the specific color for Earnhardt. It's got the badges, the numbers. He signed the dash. It has the Intimidator logo on the back. So it makes it real special. Also, which even makes it more amazing, is there was only 3,333 of these made. Do you think the number 3 was important? This particular car was 3,156 off the assembly line. It actually only has just over 8,000 kilometers on it, so like it just came off the lot. The couple that owns this, they've had it for 2 years, and they bought it off the original owner who's owned it since new. Pretty amazing. For any of you movie buffs out there, you might have heard of a little movie called Zombieland. Well, in that movie, there was a character, Tallahassee, played by Woody Harrelson. In each of those movies, he has a number 3 on the cars he drives around. Well, that is directly linked to Dale Earnhardt. Now you know.